Okay, so after you install the Wanhao Workshop, you need to enter if you have already registered your name and your email, you can just go to the login and write down your email address and also enter your PIN. And then you can go log in. So the workshop will connect to the server. We use the Amazon server, so it will pick up the license from from the server because you have already registered. And this time you can see your license were here, so you can activate a license. By this way, they will check how many computer has been registered. So you can see here, it jumped out, computer limit reached. So which means you have already registered this license onto another computer, because I have already used this license on my Windows computer. So I need to revoke desktop, this one. You can click this one, revoke. By this way, I will stop the license on the Windows computer and will activate on this Mac computer. So it shows updating license purchase. Now it will check again. So you have the same printer and everything as you had on that save. Yeah, okay, close. So it's now importing the data. So you have fully activate the Wanhao Workshop on your Mac. Okay, should you have any other question, you can email us at support@wanhao3dprinter.com. Thank you for your watching. Okay, bye.